Looking to make an on-the-go treat that is simple and of course easy that you can prepare in your own kitchen? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with trail mix cookies. So let's get started. Let's make the trail mix. Time for the dry ingredients. And now the wet ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for a quick 12 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Persia is recognized as the origin of sweet cookies in the 7th century AD, where early recipes combined flour, sugar, and water. Packaged cookies became widely available, turning them into everyday snacks rather than special occasion treats. Today's cookies range from classic homemade styles to artisanal, gluten-free, vegan, and globally inspired varieties. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these cookies are chewy, crunchy, and full of energy, perfect for the on-the-go snack, quick treats, or post-workout bite. Everybody will love them. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great on-the-go snack. Stay with us, watch the next videos.